1984. This is the blueprint for thrash metal lead guitar. There's almost zero documentation on how Ride the Lightning was actually recorded. No studio logs, no videos, of course. What you are about to see is a hybrid, part official songbook, part my own ear transcriptions. This solo is full of unexpected slides, instinctive parts, and a part that honestly is completely impossible to transcribe perfectly. This is my definitive version of it, and honestly, it's much closer to how Kirk actually plays it live today than any other book or guitar profile will tell you. We start with high-speed alternate picking. This is pure coordination. People like Paul Gilbert basically built a career on this specific movement. We climb diatonically to the neck, hitting that screaming bend at the 22nd fret. It's not just the last note of the phrase, it's a high E that sets the stage for the rest of the entire solo. Some of you guys ask about the tone in my lessons. Today I'm running my Gibson SG straight into the Red 7 Leviathan preamp. I've got a Boss GE7 in the chain too, though I might leave it out. It's a simple setup that delivers the tones I need. Now we have this descending fast run in alternate picking. Landing in the classic pentatonic box 1. This is the Jimmy Page influence coming through, like this bend on the 14th fret. It's messy, it's aggressive, and it's pure instinct. You can't overthink this part. If it feels rock and roll, you're doing it right. We have now this. Followed by this is where the instinctive nature or Kirk's playing kicks in. He throws a D minor arpeggio in. That's a very weird choice. Does it follow strict theory? Not really. Does it sound killer? Absolutely. Then the long sweep. A minor arpeggio in the 12th position. In this solo, this is the technical peak. It's like a moment of clarity in the middle of chaos. And now we reach the most untranscribable part. Just pay attention to the timing and to lean into the ending pentatonic phrase. This is the phrase. The notes you play before this, they don't really make a huge difference. After this noise and the pentatonic phrasing, we hit the melody. The rhythm guitar is playing the chorus, which is based on the E Phrygian mode. F natural E, and that's the melody. Most players will stick to the Phrygian scale, since the harmony is using the F natural note. But Kirk instead plays an F sharp right over that F natural. It creates this beautiful friction, and it shouldn't work, but it's the most iconic part of the solo. We finish with one last diatonic run that climbs up to the 22nd fret. With this last high E bending. Look, this is my take and it's based on years of playing and listening to it. As I said before, some instinctive ideas are just not replicable. When it comes to Kirk solos, very often there is this randomness element among all the various ingredients, and we like that way. If you want to dive deeper into the technique or the theory, drop a comment below or check the link in the description. I'm here to answer any question you've got. See you in the next one.